Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 109. This is part 2 of Tonopah, Boom, Bust and What Remains. By the 1920s, the great boom was fading. Ore veins that once produced tons of silver per day began to dry up, and miners moved on to new strikes in Goldfield and beyond. But Tonopah didn't die, it adapted. The arrival of Highway 95 turned this once isolated camp into a vital stop between Reno and Las Vegas. Its central location later earned it a new role, first as a military training base during World War II, and later as a support town for nearby Tonopah Test Range, where aircraft and weapon systems were tested in deep secrecy. During the Cold War, the surrounding desert became part of the vast Nevada testing network. While much of that history remains classified, Tonopah quietly continued to support it, housing workers, pilots, and engineers who commuted into the desert every morning under heavy security. Yet even with its modern ties to defense, Tonopah never forgot its roots. Many of the old mine shafts and headframes have been preserved at the Tonopah Historic Mining Park, which sits right above the town. There you can walk through original tunnels, see equipment left as it was a century ago, and get a sense of how difficult and dangerous life here really was. The town also keeps its past alive through the Central Nevada Museum, which tells the broader story of ranching, mining, and military life in this part of the state. Between the museum and the restored buildings along the main street, Tonopah has become a living archive of Nevada's resilience. Today it's home to a few thousand people, many working in energy, tourism, and government. Wind turbines now rise where ore carts once rolled. Hotels like the Mispa have been restored, not for miners but for travelers retracing the old silver trail. And yet, the feeling of the frontier remains. When the sun drops behind the hills, the desert glows red. The air cools and the silence feels endless. Standing here surrounded by history, you can see how Tonopah bridges two eras, the Wild West and the Atomic Age, both written into the dust of these Nevada hills.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.